Adam here, Handyman Larry. Today we're going to real quick shim this out. You can see how this is just wrong and it's just not right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this plate off and we're going to put shims in there to bring it out and stabilize it more. You can see it's just recessed too much. We have these little shims right here that here. I got these at Home Depot. They're fairly inexpensive, and they are outlet spacers. So we can bring this out here, and it looks like to me like two of these on each end will work just fine. See, this is what these look like. I don't know if you can see in the light, but there's 2, 4, 6, 8 of them right here, and you just kind of fold them up. They have these little tabs here and the little slots for them, so they kind of snap together just like so, and then they just rip right off. And there's this part right here which it just goes, it snaps right over the screw, so you don't have to take the screw out. You just have to take it out enough to fit it in, just like so. Oops, it almost got away from me. There, see that? Let's see. See, it snapped right in, and that part's done. And I'll put two more together. I'll get these right behind this one. Yeah, snapped right on there. Tighten this up with my trusty old drill. Oops. Brought it out a little bit more. That might be just perfect, and it might need a little more, but we'll find out right now. Now that's pretty good. We got the flexible, non-breakable type of wall plate here. We can straighten it up a little bit, but there we are. It's nice and strong and solid. I normally use a little level on these to get them straight, but that's all there is to it. Trusty little shims. Oh, and you can buy these kits too with screws in them for in case you really have to shim them out. You can get longer screws, and there's just an assortment of different sizes, and I normally keep a little bit of shims in there with this thing, and it is just a screw kit, and that's it. That's the trick. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.